from the command line, we can use Wrangler preview to actually test our worker right away. You see that it was deployed and it responded with hello worker. This is one way to do it from the command line. We can also go to the visual interface that we get from the preview service. It's the same one that we're executing locally. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that it doesn't work on other browsers such as Safari. It only works on Chrome. Another difference is that in this interface, we can actually see our console log of the request that we created in our code. There is a tab for testing where we can add headers and other things that we need specifically depending on the requirements. And then finally, there's documentation.